Hello and welcome to a Counterpart Solutions Smart Council Tour. In this quick demonstration, John would like to request a bin repair using the integrated customer and property solution. Giving John the opportunity to request a bin repair through the solution provides council with the information required to maintain customer satisfaction. Welcome to the Smart Council portal, where John can find all waste-related requests or search for them directly. When he selects bin repair or replacement, John can read through the knowledge article to view any request-specific information. Once the address is provided, John can indicate if the bin is still at the property. Notice, if John indicates no, he is redirected to the Report a Stolen or Lost Bin guided interview. John can then proceed, and is presented with all bin options available to him, based on the property he selected. By linking bins to an address, council can increase data quality, and as a result, standardize the bin repair or replacement process. As shown, John can select one or multiple bins, and then the specific component that is damaged. John can then provide his contact details. These would pre-populate if you were logged into the portal. Finally, he can review his selections before submitting. Once submitted, John will be presented a confirmation screen, and he will also receive a system-automated confirmation email. John has now requested a bin repair against his council property. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Smart Council tour. If you would like to know more about Counterpart Solutions and the Smart Council product, please contact us at info@counterpartsolutions.com and request a demo today.